today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the latest and newest working dress to impress codes for the brand new Easter update in June 2026. This update has just been released and it introduces a huge amount of fresh content into the game. With this update, players can unlock a variety of Easter-themed accessories, stylish outfits, and exclusive limited-time items that are only available through these codes. These rewards can help you improve your overall appearance in the game and make your character stand out more during fashion competitions. It is highly recommended that you redeem all of these codes as soon as possible, because they may expire at any time without any prior notice. Before we begin with the codes, I have something special for you to celebrate this new update. I am giving away VIP game passes to a few lucky viewers on this channel. To enter the giveaway, you need to follow all the steps carefully. First, like this video. Second, subscribe to the channel. Third, turn on notifications so you never miss any upcoming videos. And finally, comment your Roblox username along with a short reason why you want VIP access. The winners will be selected randomly, so make sure you complete every step correctly, because incomplete entries will not be considered. The developers have done an excellent job with this Easter update by adding many new working codes that are currently active. These codes allow players to unlock special in-game rewards, including unique fashion items, accessories, and other valuable features that can enhance your gameplay experience. Whether you are a new player or an experienced one, these rewards can give you an advantage and help you customize your character more effectively. In addition to that, some of these items are limited edition, which means they may not be available again in the future. This makes it even more important for you to use the codes as early as possible so you do not miss out on any exclusive rewards. Now, without any further delay, let us move straight into all the working Easter update codes for Dress to Impress. Make sure you watch the video until the end so you can collect all the codes and maximize your rewards. And finally, if any code appears to be invalid when you try to redeem it, make sure to re-enter it carefully and double-check your spelling. Even a small typing mistake, such as a missing letter or an extra space, can prevent the code from working properly.
heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean